today I'm reviewing the Fenty Skin Plush Puddin Lip Balm in the Melon scent. This is the best lip balm on the market. It comes in this box. I've used it, I've tried it, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It comes in this beautiful green packaging. This is for smoother, firmer, bouncier lips in 1 week. It instantly hydrates, nourishes, provides long-lasting hydration, and I'm here to tell you that Plush Puddin does just that. This is no different than all of the other ones that have come out on to the scene. It smells so good. If you love a true melon scent, this smells like melon candy. So it has that like overly sweet smell, but it's just like so nice. When you scroll up, you don't even have to scroll it too much because a lot of product already comes out. Like, this is more than enough. It's like a yellowy shade, so I'm gonna just rub it on my hands first so you can see what I'm talking about. It's a yellowy shade that has shimmer in it. It kind of reminds me of the gloss bomb in Lemon Lava, just the way that the yellow coloring is showing up on my hands. This is so hydrating. You can see how thick. It's just so on brand for me to have green nails right now too, to kind of match the packaging. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my lips so you guys can see that. To put a little bit on. Long nail friendly, as y'all saw. I just like wiped it on, or you can like do one of these. It's up to you. Here it is on my lips. Yeah, y'all, it's a very straightforward lip balm. Okay, sorry, y'all. My light ended up dying on me. Very straightforward, hydrating. It's so smooth. It really just feels like if you don't want to wear gloss for the day, I think that you can just put this on and it still gives you that sort of like elevated look with a little bit of shimmer. This is $22. It's the same price as the other as the original vanilla plush pudding. It's cruelty free. You can use this any time of the day. I will tell you that when I put this on, I don't find myself having to keep reapplying, and I love that. I don't like when I put on something and it just makes my skin more dry than what it was before. This, if you have not tried Plush Puddin, I know you guys have seen Riri talking about it, okay? She literally said, your lips is ashy, put your Plush Puddin on, okay? So we don't want no ashy lips, we don't want ashy nothing. This is going to keep you completely hydrated. There is a lot of product that is in this. I still have the original and I'm still getting product out of it well after some time. This is straightforward. Y'all just said y'all wanted to see this. This was requested, I think rightfully so, after doing the ASAP, after doing the Rocky Bomb. This is like definitely going to be another good one to have in your cabinet. Just again, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to get this out. Stay tuned for more Fenty content, of course. It's coming up. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I do these videos every single week. If you want to stay notified, hit the notification bell. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.